Most people think confidence is walking into a room and just owning it. But the most confident people I know aren't loud. They just do things before they feel ready. They say the thing. They do the set. They make the call. They don't wait to feel confident first. Because confidence isn't a feeling, it's proof. So let's build proof, fast. Not a motivational speech you forget in 10 minutes. A real system you can actually follow. Confidence is not feeling fearless. Confidence is feeling like, even if this goes wrong, I'll be fine. That feeling comes from one place: evidence. If you've done something before, you're calmer. If you've survived embarrassment before, you're calmer. If you've handled failure before, you're calmer. But if you've avoided everything for years, your brain has no evidence, so it panics. And it calls that panic your personality. It's not your personality. It's just a lack of proof. Most people try to become confident by thinking. They watch videos, they save posts, they plan, and none of it changes anything. Because confidence is not information. Confidence is a result. So here's the shift. Stop trying to feel confident first. Build a small streak of proof, and confidence shows up later. Here's the system. Step 1. Pick one area. Confidence isn't one thing. You can be confident at the gym and insecure socially, confident at school and insecure with dating, confident with friends and insecure around strangers. So pick one area for the next 30 days. Social, fitness, money, school, speaking, whatever actually matters to you right now. Because once you pick the area, you stop trying to be confident and you start doing reps that create proof. Step 2. Pick tiny reps that are impossible to skip. Most people fail because their plan is too big. So your reps have to be small, almost stupidly small. Because if you can't do it on your worst day, it's not a plan, it's a fantasy. I'll give you 2 examples. You can copy the format for whatever you picked. Social confidence reps. Say hi to one person a day, or ask one simple question, or send one short text you've been delaying. Fitness confidence reps. Do 10 push-ups when you wake up, or a 10-minute walk after lunch, or just go to the gym, do 10 minutes, and leave. The point is not intensity. The point is consistency. Because consistency is what creates proof. And one tiny rep a day sounds like nothing, until it's day 14 and your brain finally goes, okay, maybe we can actually do this. Step 3. The 70% rule. Most people wait for 100%. 100% energy, 100% certainty, 100% confidence. And that day almost never shows up. So here's the rule. If you feel 70% ready, do it anyway. Send the message at 70%. Show up at 70%. Do the thing at 70%. Because the goal isn't to feel ready. The goal is to create proof. And proof is what makes you feel ready next time. Step 4. Raise the difficulty slowly. Once your tiny reps feel automatic, raise it slightly. Not 10 times, slightly. If you said hi to one person a day, now start a small conversation. If you did 10 push-ups, now do 15. Confidence grows when your brain sees a pattern. We do hard things, and nothing explodes. And once your brain starts believing that, confidence gets way easier. But before we wrap up, there are 3 things that quietly kill confidence, even if you're doing everything right. First one is simple. Comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. You're comparing your worst moments to someone else's best clip. Of course you feel behind. And it's the same with confidence. You don't see their awkward tries. You only see the win. Second one, trying to act confident. People can feel it. You don't need to act confident. You need to act clear. Clear voice, simple words. Slow down a little. Whether it's a conversation, a presentation, or just asking for something, that already looks like confidence. And the third one, letting one bad moment reset your identity. One awkward conversation doesn't mean you're awkward forever. You're just learning. That applies to social stuff, the gym, school, literally anything. And the only people who never have awkward moments are the people who never do anything. All right, Quick recap so you actually remember this tomorrow. Pick one area. Do tiny reps you can't realistically skip. Use the 70% rule. Then level up slowly. Confidence is not a vibe, it's proof. And if you feel behind, good. That just means you finally picked something worth improving. If this helped, subscribe and tell me what area you're building confidence in this month. Because yes, becoming confident is really not that hard.